I got a package here from my friends over at Evil Energy. Evil Energy makes affordable automotive hoses, exhaust parts, intake clamps, all kinds of parts, anything that you could think of. All very high quality parts at affordable prices. So they decided to help me out here with the LS swap Subaru build and send me out some parts for my fuel system. The fuel system for the LS is always going to need a lot of fuel, so they sent me out some Dash 10 fuel line here. This is PTFE hose. It is E85 safe, as well as some Dash 8 for the return, which is also E85 safe. And they got me a bunch of fittings here. I'm not going to open these on video, so let me cut real quick and get all these open. All right, we got the packages all opened up here. Let's check out what we got. There's some Dash 10 AN PTFE nylon braided hose here. This is E85 safe, as well as some Dash 8 AN here. These are both two kits that are available on their website that comes in Dash 4, Dash 6, Dash 8, and Dash 10 AN. Comes with 4 straights here, 2 90s and 2 45s respective to each size. Well, no matter what kit you order, will come with those fittings. So this is great if you're just trying to get into making some AN lines for your car, getting your fuel system nice and tidied up and looking nice. These are really high quality parts. I've been running them on the Subaru here for a while since I did the last set of power mods. This is going to be great for getting the fuel to that LS engine that we're going to be putting in here soon. So a huge thank you to Evil Energy for sending these parts out. These are going to be great. You can get these parts on Amazon or ievelenergy.com, or you can find their Instagram. It is in their link in their bio. It is energy_evil. So yeah, big thanks to Evil Energy for sending these parts out. This is going to be great. I'm excited to be partnered with them and have them helping me out on this build.